Hey everyone again. Chapter 4, Special Operators. So we're going to go over the array expression operator, call operation, and dot sourcing operator in this chapter. So for the array expression operator, what this just really means is the file is actually being specified and not the actual folder usually. So if that happens, you'll get an array, but you'll only get one object in the array. Okay, if you specify the folder, then you will get the child items, which are the files within that folder that was specified, and right. So you're going to get the files, and then from there you can specify, whatever file, and specify the index number corresponding to that file in the array. But it works. This kind of works with other functions as well. 4.2 would be call operation. So if you want to execute a command, there will be times where you may pre-build a command and then you want to execute it. And if you do, you simply have to do this. And sign with the command. And then it'll execute. You can also do, it wasn't on here, but you could also do invoke command with a script block. Script block, I believe that's how you spell it. And you could do write host like that. Dot sourcing operator. When you use the period followed by the script path, it runs my script ps1 in the current scope, making any function and variables available in the current scope. So the period is the main thing you need. You need that period, and then you just call the script. In the PDF, there won't be a module folder. I actually just put it in the module folder here, okay? So just keep that in mind. So you have to have, because I put the script in the module folder. And when you run it, it'll be that output, right? If you look at my script, that's what it is. All right, save it, close it, run it again. Okay. And that's it for chapter 4.